right? But basically civilians, ones that get sent to prison, um, and when they get released, right, they are out here in the middle of nowhere, right? So we have a little used car lot up there where they can go buy something, but really, there's nothing out here. So either they have to rely on someone coming to pick them up, or calling a taxi or some sort of transportation that way. So what we want to do, and also kind of do this throughout the city too, is add in some bike rentals. Um, so that come out here, they can see a bike rental. Not everyone has the ability to make a phone call for somebody, right? So, um, that is what we're going to do today. So I have been able to find a bike rental here on GitHub, and I'll put this in the uh, down below for description. So it's a pretty simple installation. Seems basically a drag and drop. We'll make it a little bit more difficult because uh, looking over the files earlier, they didn't seem to have. Where was it? I think it was this one. It didn't seem to have a prison, so these are the rental locations, right? So looks like it has all the major like apartments when you guys roll in. Maze Bank Arena, Vinewood Bowl. So there's some things, right? Grapeseed, but I didn't see the prison on here. Um, so we're gonna have to add that. And it looks like we'll have to come in there, grab the Victor 3s, Victor 4s, um, and add them um, into the config file. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download this source code, and we are going to um, I'm going to immediately cut it and put it into a folder. Make this just easier for me. So let's go and uh, extract this. Alright, like always, let's go ahead and let's rename this. Actually, let's make sure that this is it is. Rename this, take off the dash master. Perfect. Alright, so here is all of our files here. Let's read the README really quick. I think it's going to be pretty simple based off of the website. Gbike Rentals is a script for 5M Qbcore, allowing you to configure bicycle rental locations around your city. Drag the G-bike rental folder into your standalone folder, or wherever you want to use it. So some of the features: toggle between manual interaction with the bike rental display and automatic menu pop-up when approaching the bike. Configure bike models for rental and their costs. Locations, see, that's what we want to do. Display selected bikes before renting. Return rentals and receive reimbursement. Amount reimbursed configured per bike type and config. Okay. So it all seems pretty simple. Here's the dependencies, which looks like these are all the um, basic dependencies that would naturally come with your QB server. So, with that being said, that is easy peasy enough. So I am going to let's go ahead and open this up in our editor. All right, so bike renter and return. This is the label that shows on the map. I don't like it being so much. Keep it simple. Bike rentals, bike rental. Right, so walk up rental menu. So true, walk up to display to open rental menu. False. Must you only press the key. Yeah, let's keep that false. So if I understand it correctly, right, you have to come up and hit like an E button or something. All right, so all this is marked out. I think this is just some explanations with the information below, right? It is. Okay. Um, so right now we got 20 locations. Um, I guess it doesn't really. I guess we can leave these the way they are. I mean, I guess more locations isn't a bad thing here. So I think what we're going to do here is I'm just going to copy this very last one. Well, I'm not going to copy the very last one, but I'm going to copy this one. So we're going to hit enter. We're going to hit paste. And then you are going to be 21, right? Okay. Now, uh, what we're going to do is we're going to give this a new name. We're going to call this prison, right? And now we need to go and get the Victor 3. So that is going to be the, I think the stand location, the rental coordinates, right? So where is the bike going to be at? Where should we, I mean, I guess right here actually. So that's parking right here. I guess we can put it, I guess kind of like right here. All right, so let's pull up our admin menu, and our admin, and Victor 3 was the first one we wanted. So let's grab that. Let's come in here, highlight this. We're going to paste it. So the Victor 4 spawn location, right? So once he comes up and he rents this, where do we want him to spawn? I'm going to put him out a little bit more. I'm going to say right here, get him away from the other bike or other people that might be standing there. And then we're going to paste this. All right. Default vehicle. I don't know if that really matters or not. I think it's going to let him pick anyways. All right. So the bike model. So down below, right? I think we're good here. This would be for our test, right? And we'll see where else we need to put things. The bike model, the name of the bike. Okay, so this is all talking about this right here. All right. So I think the cost would be fine. Like these return reimbursements. I do think really. I think if they bring them back, you should get your full reimbursement, right? So I'm gonna add in um, their ooh, their full reimbursements. I don't see why you would not. It's already not going to be a lot, so we're probably going to end up finding bikes all over the city eventually. All right, so there's 7 bike options. All these are available, so I guess if you wanted to take some off, you can just put these to false and they wouldn't be available. Oh yeah, it says it right there, set to false. So remove this bike from available rentals. Okay, I think that's everything right now. Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and let's save. And then now that that's saved, let's go ahead into our folder. Let's actually bring this over here. And then let's bring up our server. So let's go ahead and just drag and drop this guy into standalone. And now because it's not a major resource, right? I'm just going to manually start it from TX admin. Oops, wrong one. TX admin. So I should be able to click here. Let's reload and refresh. and then we're just going to type bike, and then you can see it right here. It's in our standalone folder, so let's hit start. All right, perfect. Didn't crash. Oh, and there we go. So here is our bike. We walk up to it, gives us the E, right? View bikes for rent. We can click E, and then it gives us our different options here. So let's just pick one. Let's do the cruiser. Is this the bicycle you want to rent? Yes. Oh, there we go. So we got our bike now. Let's see here. Let's go for a spin. Not very fast, is it? All right. So let's bring this back. Oh yeah, there you go. Now you can just. Do I have to be on it? Yeah. Okay. So you have to be on it. Return the bike. Do you want to return this bike? Hit yes, and there you go. You see, I got my $10 back. All right. So perfect. That worked. Now let's see on the map. What's this look like? Okay. So it does put an icon on there, a B, and it does show our 21 rentals. So let's kind of just go through there. So we got one right there. I guess that's one of the one of the apartments. That looks like to be outside of Pillbox. Let's go see where that exactly is. Is it? Is there something above me? Oh, oh dang it. Oh, um, the apartment. Oh, it's right there. Man, I'm blind as hell. Okay, so I was kind of wanting one next to Pillbox, so I suppose that's good right there. Because they should be able to just come out through here. See on the map. Maybe we'll just walk down here and get a bike. Okay, perfect. Let's see here. So that was number 2. Number 3, another apartments. Yeah. So we got quite a few in the city. Oh, that's the airport. And then we got the arena, the Pier Beach area, the observatory, right? And then we start going up into the county, which I'm not really sure where that is. I think that's where the yeah. So I mean, it's really not bad. I think I would probably um, leave this the way it is. Honestly, I think maybe we'll let some of the users be like, hey, can we? Um, oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna add one to the casino. Let's add one more. Ooh, let's add one more to the casino. And then I think we will be good then. Wow, bro, that's a hell of an ab workout right there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so we got the parking garages right here. I don't want to put it too close up here because make it look tacky. So let's go ahead and let's put it in the parking lot. Let's put it. We put it over here. All right. So do it again. Well, actually, before I do that and copy and paste, let's come back into our file here. Let's grab this again. Enter, paste. This is going to be number 22. And then we're going to call this the casino. All right, let's get our Victor 3 address. Okay, got that copied. Then let's replace this. Now let's come here and we'll say we want the bikes to pop out like right here. Victor 4. And then paste. All right. So all that will be able to stay the same. Let's go ahead and let's save the file. Oh, you know what? I did it on this here. So let's grab this. Where is ONSCP? Bike rentals. All right. Because I saved this to this config file. All right. I did save it, right? Let's just repeat that all over again, because. All right. Now it's saved. So let's come back into the game. Let's get out of here. TXadmin. Let's go ahead and go back to our resources. Let's reload and refresh again. We'll look for bike. And we'll restart it. And then I can already see it below. It's executing the command, but I can already see it. Perfect. So E, let's go ahead and let's get one of these more expensive bikes. We'll get this one. I like it. Yeah, man, let's take it. Yes, please. Well, it put me facing the wrong direction, but yeah, there we go. So now we got one over here by the casino, which is good. So when you bet your car and lose, you can get out and you know, rent a bike. Hopefully you have enough money for that. All right. So I think that is everything on here. Like I said, it's pretty simple. I will link the website for the rental in the description below, and we'll come back with another video on another tutorial for something. If there's a install or a walkthrough that you guys want to see, you know, put in a comment down below. I'll take a look at it and see if I can handle it. Or at least figure out how to do it, and then I can do a video on it. So, like always, I appreciate it. Thanks for the support here. Hopefully, you're enjoying these walkthroughs, and y'all have a great day. Bye.